So here's how to add subscribe to our emails option to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify store, and then here you have to click on the theme option and then click on the customize your theme option. After that, you will be able to view this interface. To add subscribe to our email section, you have to simply click on the add a section option, and after that here you have to click on the email sign up, and once you click on it, now it will be successfully added to your Shopify store. As you can see it here, you can make changes on the text. You have to simply click on the text box option where you want to make a change. You can also further adjust it according to your site design, and after that you have to simply click on the save and the publish option at the top right corner. So that's how to add subscribe to our email section onto your Shopify store.